Hi, this is Cam White, and I'm at the Atlanta Shoe Market. I'm here talking to Jacob Wurtz, and Jacob has got a very interesting product. They're called Kenkoh Sandals, and what these shoes do is they stimulate all of the acupressure points in your feet, which goes back to a very ancient Eastern medicine philosophy. Jacob, can you tell me a little bit about acupressure and how it relates to the organ systems of our body?
Well, in the soles of our feet we have pressure points, reflex zones that connect every part of your body. You can see by this chart over here that it shows that every part of your body has a reflex zone in here that's designed to be stimulated by walking on the natural earth. When you walk over sticks and stones, it would stimulate all these reflex zones. Unfortunately, we walk in shoes and we walk on concrete, and those zones become deadened, literally. And what this sandal does, you can see how it's contoured to the shape of a foot, and it goes in there and it massages all those little reflex zones and helps to revitalize not only circulation but also nerve function in the lower part of your body. And that eases pain, restores balance in the body and through your whole system. It has a revitalizing effect on the body.
Okay, so and how long has this technology been? How long have the Kenkohs been around?
The Kenkohs actually were developed by Mr. Yamanashi back in the 60s in Japan. He was the very first one to come out with this technology, and now it's the grandson that's running the operation out of Japan.
So it's been around for a few generations?
Yeah, a few generations, exactly.
And how did you find out about it?
Well, I was at a natural health convention in Orlando in 1980. I've been in natural health since the early 70s, and I bought a pair of the product and noticed the results, and eventually it kind of snowballed into selling the product. And I now have 9 shoe stores, and the reason I got in the shoe business was because I wanted to show this product to the consumer. I wanted to share this information with everybody because it's so important to your natural health. And so now this is our first show here at the Atlanta Shoe Show, and we're about to launch the brand nationally in the United States, and to try to help people with their foot, leg, and back pain.
Now, when Kenkoh's back around 2004, I'd actually seen the product, and the little knobs were really quite hard, and they were difficult for some people to get used to. Has that technology changed at all?
Yes, it has, Cam. In 2006, Mr. Yamanashi took this product to the Kyoto University School of Medicine in Japan, and they did a clinical study on it, and they discovered that the product not only does reduce swelling in the feet and legs, but it also restores circulation, it helps the mood, and they recommended some structural changes to it. And what they've done is they've made the footbed a little bit softer. You can see some flexibility in here. Absolutely. And the nodules are actually made out of a natural latex, so that's an environmentally friendly product as well too. And so you start out wearing them 10 or 15 minutes at a time, and then you work your way up gradually as you become accustomed to them.
So it's not necessarily an all-day shoe?
Not necessarily, but some people do find once they get used to them that it feels good to wear them all day because it keeps their energy level up.
And so, since on this foot chart over here, we have a lot of little meridians in here where it shows where the nodules in the shoe stimulate the pancreas or the stomach, or are there any conditions that you find these shoes to be particularly effective for?
Well, the first thing you usually notice, and most people suffer from foot, leg, or back pain, and that's the first thing you notice is things start to ease up right away. If you've got foot pain, the moment you put these things on, the foot pain starts to ease up. And what it does, it stimulates all the nerves and it stimulates blood flow, and that works its way up through the body and eases up everything. Now, you know your heart's up here, and your back being back here, with the increased blood flow and nerve function, it takes the stress out of your spine.
And where can these shoes actually be purchased?
Right now, they can be purchased at Happy Feet Plus. It's at happyfeet.com is the only access, or if you're down in Florida, Happy Feet Plus on the west coast of Florida.
And you have some independent retailers that'll be bringing these on as well?
We will, and if you go to the website, kenkohusa.com, you'll find a list of retailers that will be soon carrying the product.
Well, that's very good. Well, this is Cam White with Jacob Wurtz. I'm at the Atlanta Shoe Market, and this is one of those things that I look for. Products that are new, products that are different, and products that can make people feel better. Jacob, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ken.